Geography and landscapes. 1. Senegal is situated in West Africa and is known for its diverse geography, including lush forests, savannas, and a long coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. 2. The Casamance region features scenic rivers and mangroves, while the Sahel region in the north offers desert landscapes. 3. Senegal is home to several national parks and wildlife reserves, such as Niokolo-Koba National Park. 4. The Pink Lake, Lac Rose, is a famous natural wonder, known for its unique pink hue caused by high salt concentration. History and heritage. 1. Senegal has a rich history, with ancient empires like the Ghana Empire and Mali Empire once thriving in the region. 2. The island of Gorée played a significant role in the transatlantic slave trade and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3. Senegal was a French colony until gaining independence in 1960, with a strong emphasis on preserving its cultural heritage. 4. The nation is known for its influential figures like Léopold Sédar Senghor, a poet and the first president, who championed negritude, a literary and cultural movement. Government and politics. 1. Senegal is a democratic republic with a multi-party system. 2. The President of Senegal serves as both the head of state and government, while the National Assembly is the legislative body. 3. The nation is known for its political stability and democratic transitions. 4. Senegal actively participates in regional and international organizations, including the African Union and the United Nations. Economy and industries. 1. Agriculture is a significant sector, with crops like peanuts, millet, and sorghum being important staples. 2. The fishing industry is crucial, given the country's extensive coastline. 3. Senegal's economy is diversifying, with growing industries in tourism, telecommunications, and manufacturing. 4. Natural resources such as phosphates and gold contribute to export revenues. Culture and traditions. 1. Senegal is celebrated for its vibrant music, including genres like mbalax and traditional drumming. 2. Traditional clothing like the boubou and baya is commonly worn, often with intricate patterns and designs. 3. Wrestling, known as la lutte, is a popular and traditional sport with a large following. 4. Family and community values are central to Senegalese culture, with a strong emphasis on respect and hospitality. Famous landmarks. 1. Gorée Island, a former slave trading post, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an important historical landmark. 2. The African Renaissance Monument in Dakar is one of the tallest statues in Africa. 3. The Great Mosque of Touba is a significant pilgrimage site for the Mouride Brotherhood. 4. The House of Slaves and its Door of No Return on Gorée Island are powerful reminders of the transatlantic slave trade. Social issues and challenges. 1. Senegal faces challenges related to poverty, unemployment, and access to quality education. 2. Environmental issues, such as deforestation and desertification, pose threats to the country's natural resources. 3. Efforts are underway to address gender inequality and improve healthcare access. 4. Senegal is also dealing with issues related to irregular migration and regional security. Tourism and travel. 1. Senegal offers a rich cultural and natural tapestry, making it an appealing destination. 2. Visitors can explore historic sites, including Gorée Island and the Old Town of St. Louis. 3. National parks like Niokolo-Koba provide opportunities for wildlife safaris. 4. Beach resorts along the coastline offer relaxation and water sports activities. Power of military. 1. Senegal maintains a modest military force focused on national defense and peacekeeping missions. 2. It actively participates in regional security efforts through organizations like the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. 3. The military's primary role is to safeguard national security and contribute to regional stability. 4. Senegal is known for its commitment to peacekeeping missions and has deployed troops to various international operations.